Halotron 1, which is a clean fire extinguishing agent. Halotron 1 is a chemical blend comprised of three components, principally HCFC 123. Halotron 1 was approved by the U.S. EPA in March 1994 as a streaming agent substitute for Halon 1211 in its Significant New Alternatives Policy, or SNAP program. The 1987 international treaty formed by the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer is implemented in the United States by its SNAP program. The SNAP program is prescribed by the Clean Air Act amendments of 1990. One chemical used in the Halotron 1 blend is currently scheduled for a production phase-out between the years 2015 and 2030. This schedule only pertains to new production of one raw material in the Halotron 1 blend. It is important to note that this does not relate to the sale or use of Halotron 1, which will be available beyond the year 2030. Halotron 1 is of relatively low toxicity with an overall profile similar to Halon 1211. Halotron 1 also has physical characteristics similar to Halon 1211 and is discharged through a proprietary nozzle as a liquid which then rapidly evaporates. Halotron 1 is excellent for light to ordinary fire hazards, especially where there are concerns about collateral damage from dry chemical use. Halotron 1 is a clean agent which does not leave a residue after application. However, it might react with certain plastics. The physical characteristics of Halotron 1 allow for a firefighting training program that is easy to implement. An inexperienced firefighter will find that Halotron 1 is very effective on commonly encountered fires. Most training programs will include the use of a three-dimensional running Class B fuel fire. Halotron 1 extinguishers put out fires primarily by removing heat from the fire combustion zone. Halotron 1 extinguishers are designed for non-residential use in areas that include computer rooms, office buildings, warehouses, manufacturing plants, laboratories, heavy machinery, motor vehicle and aircraft engines, commercial vessels, and yachts. In June 1995, Halotron 1 was approved by the Federal Aviation Administration for airport firefighting after a full-scale fire test program and evaluation. It is currently being used extensively for this purpose at major international airports in the U.S. Halotron 1 has been tested extensively using test protocols that simulate flight line firefighting arrangements. This includes a Navy-sponsored program conducted at the Marine Corps Air Station in Beaufort, South Carolina in October 1992. This program was also attended by representatives of the DoD, EPA, and FAA. Amerex Halotron 1 fire extinguishers are UL and ULC listed. This means that the extinguishers have been thoroughly evaluated according to ANSI UL standards for firefighting performance and hardware durability. The UL fire test protocol is explained in Standard 711. This event is a 25 square foot heptane fuel steel pan fire required to be extinguished repeatedly for a UL 10B rating. Heptane is the fuel of choice on Class B or liquid fuel fires because it is very volatile and exhibits consistent burning characteristics. It is considered a conservative measure of agent performance on Class B fires. All Class B fires have 1 minute pre-burn times. The 1A 10BC UL rating was achieved with a total net charge weight of 11 pounds of Halotron 1. This scene shows a UL-2A wood panel fire. This test protocol is one of 3 Class A wood and normal combustible fires required by UL. The 2A panel consists of 240 3/4 by 3/4 inch fir strips mounted on a back panel constructed of 1 by 6 inch wood pieces. The panel is ignited with fuel oil and allowed to burn for approximately 4 minutes before the firefighter attempts extinguishment. This fire was extinguished with a net charge weight of 15.5 pounds of Halotron 1. Amerex Halotron 1 extinguishers are UL and ULC listed with ratings of 1BC, 2BC, 5BC, 1A 10BC, and 2A 10BC. Amerex believes that Halotron 1 can fulfill the needs of clean agent